This is cafe life in Athens, Greece. And across the street there's this nice bakery, and I think that's a Greek Orthodox monastery. You can correct me in the comments. And it is late June. I think today's the 27th, and it's about 78 or 79 Fahrenheit, or 24 or 25, 26 Celsius. There's Lime scooters for getting around. There is a really good subway system, and Athens is an underrated city, so it's still reasonably affordable compared to the other major capitals in Europe like Paris and Madrid and so forth. That's really cool music. I like that when you go to the supermarket, a bottle of water is only 50 cents. In fact, when I wrap up this video, that's exactly what I'm gonna go buy. Really breezy in this neighborhood, lots of trees, usually a sign of wealthier neighborhoods. All right, I'll wrap the video up here. Put what you think in the comments.